Java trainer in JSpiders Punjagutta. Here we have Manish Singh, who got recently placed in one company, and he will introduce himself.
This is Manish Singh. I am from Bihar. I have did my graduation in this year only. Recently, past means 2024, and from Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute, Chennai. I got this institute. I came to know through incubation batch, and I joined this institute in the month of December.
Okay. So fine. So you have finished all the complete Java full stack?
Yes, sir. I completed all those. Means I started here through learning core Java by B.TECH, sir. After that, you only means sponsor only taught me string, array, and that concept of collection framework. Before joining this institute, I am not aware of what is OOPS concept. After joining here, I am now able to do any kind of programming, and even from you, I learned that concept collection framework, which will help me. Now I can analyze any programs, and I can able to write any logic by myself only without seeing any other means Google also. So this confidence I got from here. And apart from Java, I learned here a web technology like HTML, CSS through an answer class. And here I learned SQL by Gautam sir by in fast track batch. And here this is the overall subjects I learned from Punjab.
Okay, good. So apart from this, after the classes, did you attend presentation sessions?
Yes, sir. I attended presentation session. It is more helpful to me to improve my communication as well as technical skills. Because of in presentation, we are going to every subject presentation is there, sir. After completion of subtopics, they are giving some topics. We have to do presentation on that. So by giving the presentation, I am going to explain all those things. So by which I am getting the more clarity about the topic also, as well as my we can improve our communication also.
Yes, that's good. Okay, and did you attend active classes?
Yes, sir. I attended. Before I was not attended. I got rejected in few companies due to aptitude. Then I get to know what is the importance of aptitude, and I asked with Vaibhav sir apti class. So he gave me permission to attend that class, and I went and I attended. After this aptitude class only, I got selected in one company.
And before going for the interviews, did you attend grooming classes?
Yes, sir.
How they help you for the?
Yes, sir. Grooming to help me a lot because of what questions, sir, what type of questions actually sir has discussed before one day in grooming session. Exactly same questions came. We never expect like this. That same questions. So after seeing that directly, we have to mark the options. So that will save our time also. So this is this much helpful. Even they guide us how to introduce in the company, how we have to make ourselves as energetic. They are not feeling means we are not a capable candidate. So we have to show our face in expression also there. So they taught me, guide us. So that is helpful in the group.
Okay, that's so good. So you finally got a company.
And that package is 5 LPA, and I got this requirement based on SQL.
Okay. So, but they have asked on which technologies they have asked?
I attended this interview based on SQL, but they have asked me most of the questions from core Java only. So I share my experience about this. We cannot move back. Means only one requirement skill is there. So interviewer will not ask from other subject. We cannot expect like this. They can ask if I mention in my resume other topic. They can ask.
Yes. That's good. So congratulations.